Hello! I've been asked some questions. I've got a list here of 5 of the most favourite questions that have been asked to me from YouTubers, viewers, about my nails. So, number 1, I have what are my favourite brands of nail polish. My favourite brands are, I've got here Ciate London. It's spelled C-I-A-T-E. I think it's Ciate, probably pronounced something other than that. I also like China Glaze, OPI of course, and Nails Inc. London. Essie I like as well. They're good quality brands. They don't chip as much, I find. Next question is my favourite top coat and base coat. Well, my favourite base coat I've been using at the moment is the OPI Nail Envy Strengthening and Peeling treatment. That's rather good. Got that on my nails at the moment. And also the base coat, the top coat I've been using is very old brand, well not an old brand but an old formula. It's Colorstay Revlon. It's Overtime Sealant. You can see that one there. Very old one, this one. So I'm not even sure you can still get it, but I'm sure Revlon still do them. It's always very important to use a base coat, I find, when I'm putting nail polish on, because it helps the nail polish to stick to your nails, not chip. And same goes with top coat. Always got to have a top coat on. Always makes the nail polish stay without it chipping, last longer. I've also been asked about what vitamins I use, multivitamins. I use Just Vitamins, multivitamins and probiotic from Just Vitamins. They are what I use. I'm vegetarian, so I use multivitamin, and I also like to have good bacteria in my gut. That's the probiotic side of things, which is always good for the immune system, stops me having colds and things. So yes, that's the video. And also I get asked about peeling and flaking. That's something I have problems with too. Always trying to keep that under control. I do a lot of swimming and I'm always doing dishes and things, so I'm always in the water. But I do find that the OPI Nail Envy Sensitive and Peeling with Strengtheners bottle I use is very good. I keep that on my nails at all times. I just replace it every other day. I just put a little coat on the little bit of white nail that's showing every other day, and that keeps them from peeling. It provides a really nice layer. It's very healthy nail polish, clear nail polish. So is that 5 questions? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, the 5th question is about the yellowing of nails. I don't think you can ever get away with your nails going yellow when you put polish on, because I think it's something to do with the nail polish itself, and also that the sun can't get to your nail, your bare nails. Sun can't get to them, so I think that's probably why they go yellow. I don't think you can help it, but you can buff them, buff your nails. You can get a very, very fine emery board and just file them down a little bit. That's what I've been doing lately with mine, because I've been using a little polish. So yeah, just buff them down. That's the only way you can get rid of the yellow. So yeah, that's it. So if I get any more questions over the next weeks, months, then I'll do another video. But that is all for now. Thank you. Bye bye.